So this part here, in general, marks obtained by a student in mathematics exam is assumed to be RV with mean 65 and variance 32. This is not normally distributed. You wouldn't know. So please take note of that. You can just write down please don't write this down. Common mistake is don't write this down. Never ever write this down. Okay? Just don't. Okay? What you need to do is just to define the other resources. So B, expectation of X will just be 65 and variance of X will just be 32. Okay? This case here, let X be the marks obtained by a student. Then let mu be the population mean marks obtained by a student. Okay, that's it. So you just do that, and essentially what we need is a random sample of 50 students taken. The mean is found to be 66.4. Okay, so in other words, this is sample mean 66.4 and it's 50. Just write down everything down. A test concluded that it shows that there's insufficient evidence that the new program of revision classes is effective. Okay, so this is very practical, meaning if you want to see something is effective or not, you take the data, so especially this program, before you conduct the exercise, you just collect the result first. Then after you conduct the exercise, this revision class, then if your marks only see whether it improve or not. So that's the whole idea there. So this is definitely a one-tail test. Mu initially started off with 65 marks, right? H1, you want to see whether it improve or not, so it has more than 65. Right now, all the 66.4. Is it significantly a lot more than 65? That's the question. Whether you can accept it or not. And 50, and then after which sigma square is 32. Okay, so under H0, write it down. H0, test statistic will be Z equals to bar X minus 65 over 32 over 50. Normally distribution approximately by central limit theorem. Okay, from GC, just calculate out the p-value. Because you are asked to find the range of alpha, right? Level of significance of the test, p-value will just be 0.0401. If there is insufficient evidence to say that it's effective, meaning you don't reject H0, right? You stick to the old guns, meaning you stick to the previous result. This is what you want. So do not since H0 not rejected, meaning what you can assume is p-value has to be more than alpha percentage. Okay, so more than alpha percentage. So this case here, alpha percentage is actually less than 0.0401. Alpha has to be 4.01, right? So you just say that level of significance has to be less. Level of significance is lesser than 4.01%. Okay, so that's it. Yeah.